Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, January 14th, 2021. Well, we have a little weak trough that's moving through the region. That's producing some rain and snow showers, some areas of fog, and some scattered broken cloud cover throughout the region. Most of these showers and snow flurries are not really reaching the ground, but the ones that are due, well, they are producing a little bit of snow accumulation. So definitely watch out for that around the Poconos in northeastern Pennsylvania. Visibility with some of these low clouds as well range anywhere from about 2 to 6 miles, but a lot of this will be lifting, and watch out for some freezing fog considering how chilly these temperatures are. Temperatures range from the mid-20s to lower 30s throughout the region, upper 30s to lower 40s out towards the east end of Long Island. Take a look at our surface map. You can see this trough moving through. We have this area of low pressure that is off the North Carolina coast. Now, I know what you're thinking. What if these two had interacted? Well, they would have if it wasn't for this strong cold front here that will be moving through the region by the time we get to tomorrow night into Saturday morning. Shows up even better when you take a look at the infrared satellite picture. But first, let's take a look at the radar. This is more bark than bite here, ladies and gentlemen. A lot of this is not reaching the ground. What does reach the ground, it will have the potential to produce maybe a dusting or so, but that's pretty much about it based on what we're seeing here from the observations. So overall, not too bad of a morning once this all clears out, which is expected by later on this afternoon. Now, again, when you take a look at the infrared satellite picture, you might be drawn to this here and say, hey, look, this could be a storm. But no, the reason why is because these two don't have time to interact, because this huge bowling ball of energy is going to be kicking it out into the Atlantic. So as a result, these two can't form, and this is primarily why we haven't seen a lot of winter storms since really mid-December, is because we have so much short waves coming through the United States that there isn't enough time to allow for one of these storms to really organize and phase and really go about the process of developing. So as a result, this is getting kicked out. This doesn't have time to interact with this. And so you get this strong lifting here, and you could see it's strong lifting based on the precipitation that's developing, but it just doesn't have time to mature. So that exits out, and then this comes on in for tomorrow night into Saturday morning with the heaviest precipitation expected early in the morning. I say precipitation because you will have some snow mixing in for portions of the Poconos and the Catskills, maybe about an inch or two of snow accumulation. So let's dive into this forecast for today. Watch out for some of those rain snow showers this morning, giving way to scattered broken cloud cover, temperatures rising into the lower to mid 40s. For tonight into tomorrow morning, scattered broken cloud cover with lows in the upper 20s to lower 30s. For tomorrow afternoon, increasing clouds are expected, showers towards the evening hours. Look for high temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s over the interior, mid to upper 40s along the coast. Now, on Saturday morning, this cold front and wave of low pressure moves through, but the bulk of the rainfall will be in the morning hours, say from about 2 a.m. to 8 a.m. After that, everything just kind of clears out, and you'll have a lingering rain or snow shower through the afternoon, but nothing that's going to be heavy. As far as the interior, and we're talking about the Poconos and the Catskills only at this point, yes, there is a threat for some snow accumulation, maybe an inch or two on some cold surfaces and some slick roadways. So definitely keep an eye on that on Saturday morning. Temperatures will range from the lower to mid 30s over the interior and mid to upper 40s along the coast. What that means is that you're going to have your high temperatures in the morning, and then temperatures basically stabilize and then fall off in the evening. So basically what you see in the early morning hours is essentially what you're going to see for most of the day until the temperatures start to fall off as you head towards the evening. Now on Sunday, this storm's going to be blowing up in the Canadian Maritimes and produces what we call a pressure gradient. See how these lines are packed? That's going to support windy conditions on Sunday, winds from the west around 10 to 20 miles per hour, gusts possibly pushing over 30 miles per hour. So definitely a windy day, but overall dry. Can't rule out a flurry or two. Watch out for the Poconos and Catskills here for some lake effect snow bands trying to reach those locations, maybe even northwestern New Jersey. We'll have to watch out very carefully. Temperatures will range from the upper 20s to lower 30s for lows and mid 30s over the interior, upper 30s to lower 40s along the coast. Monday and Tuesday, a series of cold fronts will move through the region Watch out for a few flurries, otherwise scattered cloud cover. Temperatures will range from the lower to mid 20s over the interior, upper 20s to lower 30s along the coast for lows. High temperatures in the lower to mid 30s and over the interior, mid 30s to lower 40s along the coast. On Wednesday, look for increasing cloud cover, and we're going to have to watch the evolution of this storm here. Okay, so it is a threat for a flurry or two. Temperatures will range from the upper 20s to lower 30s for lows, and lower to mid 30s over the interior, upper 30s to lower 40s along the coast. Now on Thursday, these two start to interact. Now the question is, as we head towards the end of the week, is that does this strong cold front with an Arctic air mass behind it and ahead of it suppress this low pressure system with all the moisture? If it suppresses, then pretty much Thursday afternoon on through, let's say, Friday, it's just some scattered snow showers. If it does not, if these two phase into one storm, well, we might be dealing with a winter storm for the end of next week. We'll have to see how it all plays out, but there is that potential. So I'm expecting scattered snow showers here. I don't like the idea of rainfall here because I'm expecting low temperatures in the mid-teens to lower 20s and high temperatures in the upper 20s to lower 30s. So clearly cold enough for the threat for snow showers or snowfall. So we'll have to watch that very carefully. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. And as always, stay safe out there.